right, let's see if the book is here. Oh, yeah. Let's start the unboxing. All right, so I just got my new book in the mail. This is the first time anyone is seeing the full version live. So let's take a peek and see what it looks like. You guys are getting an exclusive look at the unboxing. Be the Hero of Your Life, the second edition by J. Scott MacMillan. All right, here we go. Ready? All right. Da-da-da. Yes. Oh, feels good to hold it in your hand. There's nothing like holding up your book that just got published, the first copy, hot off the presses, in your hand, and flipping through it and feeling the feeling of it and seeing your name right there. Awesome. There's my picture. Looking good. Looking very, very good. Anyways, this book is going to go on sale December 5th. So we got a couple of weeks yet. It's on pre-sale now. So go out to Amazon, get your copy of Be the Hero of Your Life by J. Scott MacMillan. I go by Scott. My pen name is J. Scott MacMillan. And enjoy the book. I've got it on pre-sale for a limited price, $2.99 for the Kindle and $9.99 for the hard or for the soft copy. And the prices are going to go up after the book comes out. So get it now on pre-sale, and you're also going to get some free specials that I put together. I'm putting together an online course, and you get the first 3 modules free, including some exercises that I have, and I'm going to have a guided meditation that you can download for free if you pick up the book during the pre-sale. So thanks for your support, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.